Nice.
Did I do it right? Hey, my name is Naila the Lion King, and this is my channel, DBNaila, done by Naila. How is everyone today? I can confess, last week wasn't the week for me. I know, that's not good. It's not good, okay? I'm just serious, okay? I am going to solemnly swear that I am going to finish this piece this month.
This is a load of barnacles.
Oh, but I had this crossed. I'm gonna try to finish this piece by the end of this month.
Meh.
Now I emphasis on the try because it's very detailed and I hate having rushed things because I want to do as much as I can detail work with this paint, but then I want to come back later with the color pencils that I have, but I haven't gotten there yet. I have an old palette, so I shall refresh. Maybe I can just... That was satisfying. Do I have an extra one down there that I had ready? I do not. I have to get up. Oh, I'm feeling getting up. Palette, paper palette. Paper palette. Paper palette. Put this somewhere. I would just cut this into the shape of my palette, but I feel extremely lazy today. Like, I don't want to move 2 feet. It's not even feet. 2 steps. Well, technically steps are feet. Two motions that way to get my scissors. I'm gonna just put this here. Gonna tear around the sides. It's not even sticky anymore. I gotta get tape. Gotta get the hole. Beautiful! Palette check. As usual, we have our acrylic paints. I'm gonna be using the same paints as we did last time. Most of them are from Liquitex. I'm gonna use white, primary red. I said primary red. That's a new one for me. Primary. Then I got some Mars Black, and then I got some Naples yellow hue. That's what it says. And then I got magenta, burnt sienna. I am hurting my hand. Yeah, I think those are the only colors I'm here for today. I use a lot of flat brushes. These are all flats for the most part. This one's a flat. Well, matter of fact, I'm gonna just line these bad boys. These are the flats. These are all flats. I try to take good care of them. They're still soft, so they're still alive. And then I have my liner. Oh. I'm just gonna go into that. Alright, so honestly, I'm really going to this thing like all willy-nilly. I'm kind of using the bigger brush. I wanted to start off and really work with that background picture. It's very hard because the picture is not exactly how it is in the original, as you can see back there. It's a whole different color palette. So I'm trying to really stay with the edited photo because it's more pinkish and like tannish. So I don't know, it's just kind of like, I'm nervous because it's super duper pink, but then like once I really get into those like whiter tones of it, it kind of makes sense and like it kind of calms itself down a little bit. So what you're noticing is a lot of my footage is actually from my live Instagram pages. That's Instagram, not Instagram, live TikToks. So I've just been kind of using that footage because some of the footage that I have, my camera is kind of like conked out on me. Well, not conked out, my storage kind of conked out. I gotta buy more SIM cards because they fill up like that. So yeah, so you're gonna notice some back and forth here. It's funny because like even though I'm like I don't want to do oil paint, I'm not comfortable with oil paint because I haven't done it in forever. It's the same process because like I feel like I can't blend it as much as I want to blend it, so I have to pick the exact color I need from the palette to put onto the acrylic. I do a little light blending, but after I have like a good solid layer of acrylic, because when it's watery it's really see-through, so I have to make sure I have a nice solid layer underneath first before I can try to blend and go backwards. I think that's why people are kind of like, is this oil paint? And I'm like, nah, it's acrylic. It's just not easy. It's not easy, but I enjoy doing it. That's the cool part. So I'm actually finally getting into the other side of this background, that weird kind of like raw chicken looking color. Well, I hope raw chicken isn't that red, but that chicken looking color, I'm trying to like get that first layer in. So like this is not going to be my solid layer. This is just the first layer because like I said, I need like that nice solid color. So I'm mixing a lot of these color right now. So a lot of that blending and different colors is not going to mean anything. So I'm just trying to get a nice solid layer as possible as I can. As possible, as much as I can. Yeah, there we go, as much as I can. So I noticed too, like I didn't put two and two together, but apparently this self-portrait looks like Puma Badu, Erykah Badu's daughter. And I'm like, I didn't think about that at first. So I'm trying to move my braids closest to my face to like thin it out or something, because I feel like Badu's face it's like a little bit more rounded. So I'm trying to like thin it out. I don't know. But everyone on TikTok was like, is that Puma? Is that Puma? I'm like, no, it is not. It is me. It's my face. So I'm kind of like really nervous. Like I'm trying to make sure my nose is really pointed, and I don't know. Like I said, that's the cool thing about acrylic. I can move it around and just play with it. Honestly, the only part that actually looked kind of good is the hand. Like I'm just really pushing that see-through factor. I know for sure eventually I'm gonna have to go back on that upper hand that's kind of like reaching down at me, because it's not see-through enough. I really need to like push the background colors and really come back up. That's what I'm definitely going to be doing the next video, is really push those background colors. Yes, I said next video because I'm definitely going to have to do another, because honestly if I want to finish this in a week, I'm gonna have to have multiple videos. Well, not finish it in a week. I have to finish it before the month is out. And low-key, when is the month out? It is, okay, where's my phone? Where's my phone? How many days are in May? 31 days. Yeah, so I got until next Tuesday. So yeah, I think I can do one video. I'm good this week. I'll just do one video. But honestly, I'm done for today. I'm tired. It's late at night and I need me some sleeps. Yeah, I'm gonna be on live, I think low-key every day for a while. The reason why I'm not on live on YouTube or like Instagram is because like I can't play the music I want to play, and I'm like, I love music, and like they're gonna be like, you've been on here for too long and you're playing music you're not copyrighted for. I'm like, TikTok, I can just play whatever music I want straight from my Spotify and I'll be good. So that's why I'm on TikTok. But I thank y'all as usual. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And I will see you guys very soon. Oh wait, I forgot. Did you guys want to see my painting so far? Oh, okay. Well, pal, this is how far we've gotten. We're not there yet, but dag nabbit, we're flipping close. Don't forget.
Nice.
Finally! I've been trying to catch you boys all day! Now that I've got you right where I want you! Like and subscribe.
Nice.